Are you looking for the perfect smoothie to start your day or use as a meal replacement? Well, we are making a delicious mango strawberry smoothie that keeps you full because it has oats in it and it's packed full of nutritious ingredients. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. The first thing I've added to my blender is 1 mango, and it's a nice ripe mango. And to that, I'm adding in 1 cup of strawberries. You can use frozen or fresh, but I had a bunch of strawberries that were about to go bad and I wanted to use them. So using them in a smoothie is a great way to do that. Ooh, I caught it. Next, I also have some carrots. I have 2 medium-sized carrots and I just chopped them up a little bit. As well as a 1/3 cup of oatmeal. This is great because it'll keep you fuller for longer. Along with a 1/3 cup of yogurt. You can use any yogurt you like, but I like using an unsweetened plant-based yogurt. Today I'm using a coconut yogurt. I'm also going to add in a scoop of collagen because I find this is really helping my skin as well as my hair and nails. I've always had really weak nails, and since I've been taking collagen every day, I have noticed my nails have become a lot stronger. And they have animal-based collagen, or they also have plant-based collagen. It's just up to your preference. And I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of plant-based milk. I'm using almond milk that is unsweetened, but you can use whatever milk you have on hand. And because I have no frozen ingredients going into this, I use fresh strawberries. I'm going to add some ice. My ice has started to melt, but here we go. Okay, now let's blend together our smoothie. This actually smells really delicious. I think I just got some on my chin. But now the most important time, getting to drink our smoothie. And here we have our finished smoothie. I absolutely love the color. It's super vibrant and it smells amazing. So let's taste it. That is so good. The flavors work so well together, and it also has this sweetness from all the fruit and the carrots, but it has a really nice creaminess thanks to the yogurt and the oatmeal. So please let me know if you try this smoothie and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see some more healthy homemade smoothie recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!